Hello everyone, xanavi.eng. We are continuing filming new videos about Nissan and Infiniti from 2019 years with new generation infotainment system Bosch. So now we can see Nissan Rogue, aka X-Trail or Qashqai in Europe. So this car was imported from the United States of America because of it available 3 languages only, and the radio range is the American, not the full list of the frequencies. So today we will do the conversion of it with European languages and the full radio range. So if you want Nissan or Infiniti imported from another market, we can do the conversion of it. So let's see the result. Well, everything was changed successful. Now we can see the menu in French language, but if we open settings, language, we can see the European language package. Everything work, Bluetooth, everything worked without any problems. And the radio. Now you can see the European frequencies step. So all the radio stations are available. If you own Nissan or Infiniti car and you need system adaptation, feel free to get in touch with us. Our contact you can find in the description. Stay safe. Many thanks for watching. Bye bye.